Using pivot table. The pivot table feature of Excel 2016 allows you to analyze the large amount of data. It consolidates, summarizes, and presents data. Perform the following steps to use the pivot table. 1. Select the data on which you want to apply pivot table command. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. Click on the pivot table command. 4. Click on the OK button. 5. Drag the employee name field from Choose Fields to Add to Report box and drop into Row Labels box. 6. Drag the department field from Choose Fields to Add to Report box and drop into Column Labels box. 7. Drag the total field from Choose Fields to Add to Report box and drop into Values box. Your report will appear on the worksheet.